Hello everyone, Justin here, and in today's short time-lapse video I will show you how I sketch Iron Man. And in this particular instance I'm gonna go ahead and start with a pencil and just start marking in the basic shapes first, and then I will start adding detail. But sometimes if I'm happy with where I have the basic shapes, I'll go ahead and start putting in some detail, although I'll put in the final details with a pen usually. So I'll just keep working on the basic shapes, trying to always compare what I'm drawing to what I already drew, such as drawing the right arm compared to the left, making sure that the elbow, for example, or the shoulder planes are at about the same level. So once I'm happy with that, I'll switch over to my fine micron pen and just start inking things in. I'll often do a mix of shading techniques, including some crosshatch or even just straight parallel lines. And in this particular sketch, I'm going to be using a gray marker for the main shading. But here I go. I'm just continuing on with details, and I'm adding more details as compared to my initial pencil drawing. And with these kind of robotic metallic sketches such as this Iron Man, the fine lines kind of help just show that it's metallic and hard surfaced, and a few strategic straight lines along the edge sometimes will just make it look more like it's a shiny metal, kind of chrome-like. So continuing on, I'm just adding more detail here, not always following my initial guidelines if I need to make some corrections, because I can always erase those initial pencil lines later. So I'm using a cool gray magic marker here just to add some shape and three-dimensionality to the sketch, and keeping it very loose, and primarily putting the color in the upper part of the sketch. So that's pretty much all I have for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.